Please help me welcome to the stage, Smart Choice.
Meet Ali. Ali lives in Karachi, Pakistan. Karachi is the largest city in Pakistan with 20 million population. Ali works at a textile factory as a production supervisor. He makes enough money to meet his basic needs like food, rent, and his children's school fees. And at the end of the month, he even saves a little money. Every evening, he comes home to his wife and 2 kids. They live in a comfortable 2-bedroom apartment. But one day, his youngest son, Ahmed, becomes ill. Ahmed does get better after a few days, but Ali isn't sure what's wrong. Ali takes the day off work and takes his son to the hospital. The doctor does a few tests and the news is good. With surgery, Ahmed will get better. But the surgery is going to cost 150,000 Pakistani rupees. That's 1,000 US dollars. The surgery will not just wipe out Ali and his family's savings, but Ali will have to also get a $200 loan as well. If only Ali had basic health insurance, Ahmed's surgery would have been covered under health insurance plan. Ali isn't alone. There are 200 million people in Pakistan who do not have insurance coverage. They understand that insurance is important for when something bad happens. But finding insurance products is very difficult. Understanding the differences between insurance products is even harder. Insurance agents constantly call people like Ali to push products that are not suitable, giving insurance industry a bad name. People like Ali are afraid to buy the wrong policy. We are Smart Choice. We enable everyday Pakistanis like Ali to easily compare insurance plans like car, travel, health, and motorbike insurance, so they understand the coverage they need and buy the right policy at best price. Let me show you how it works. Ali logs on to Smart Choice and he clicks on the health insurance tab. He is prompted to select the type of insurance policy he wants. He selects family. He inputs his personal data, including age and number of people in his family, and then select the type of coverage he wants. Smart Choice filter all the insurance policies that fit Ali's need from all the major insurance companies in Pakistan. Ali can search the hospitals where he can avail treatment under that plan. Ali can dig into the details of the plan that are best fit by clicking more details. Smart Choice makes it easy for people buying insurance for the first time by simplifying the language and removing insurance jargon, so people like Ali can clearly understand what each benefit actually gives him, so there are no surprises at the time of claim. This way, Ali can buy insurance with confidence. Ali goes for Silver Plan. He fills out a form to provide additional information about his family health to the insurance company and proceeds to make the payment, selecting from multiple payment options available. Ali proceeds ahead with bank transfer option. Moments later, Ali receives his family policy certificate through email, and his health card is shipped to his home address within a week. Smart Choice makes on an average 20% commission on insurance premium. Pakistan is the 5th largest country in the world with over 220 million citizens. Yet, only 5% of the population is insured. Pakistan's middle class is growing exponentially fast and is estimated to be 84 million. Smart Choice is the largest insurance aggregator that has exclusive partnerships with insurance companies, offering insurance products that are not available anywhere else. We also offer free claims assistance, building long-term value for our customers. I am Siptan. I have 8 years of experience working for Pakistan's largest financial technology company, where I led sales team across Pakistan and Africa, enabling banks to offer Visa, MasterCard, and Union Pay card schemes, driving annual recurring revenue of over 3 million US dollars. Hunain, my co-founder and CTO, built the technology platform for Vistaprint, managing teams across 3 countries. And he's also a graduate of INSEAD, one of the premier business schools in the world. We are backed by Oman Technology Fund, Capitoria Ventures, and SOSV. And we have partnered with Pakistan's top 15 insurance companies. and have sold over 14,000 policies. Out of them, 10,000 policy holders have bought insurance for the first time ever. And I'm very happy to announce that we have grown over 3x in the last 12 months. And last month we hit insurance premium of 85,000 US dollars. Thank you.